All right, so like I said, there's real life time trading, and there are times of the day where you have to trade, and the trading will favor you. All right, we're going to talk about that as we move on. Okay, especially for those of you who are going to be fully coming to my team. All right, we'll be talking about most of those things. Okay, in details. And then here, like I said, if you tap on this stuff that look like oil, you're going to see commodities, items that people are buying and selling. Okay, like Brent oil OTC, WTI crude oil OTC, silver. You're going to see real life material that people are buying and selling, like gold and the rest of them. You can see gold, silver, and the rest. Okay, and then if you click here, let's click on that. This is where we're going to see people, companies, okay, institutions like Facebook. You can see Facebook here. You can see American Express OTC, Boeing company. This is an airplane, right? So this is where you're going to see companies that are selling their shares. Okay, they once sold their shares when they want to start. After they are done setting up the company, no more selling of shares. What they will do now is what? Trading. They bring the stuff to what called stock exchange. At the stock exchange, you start seeing this. The Alibaba, you can see Alibaba here, you can see Amazon and the rest of them. They're here. Okay, so that is what all of that stands for. So you can take any one of them when you want to trade. For instance, I can click on this. If I tap on that, that's the one I want to trade with. Okay, that's what I want to trade with. All right, to talk about that as we move on. Okay, and then here, if you click on these three dots here, this is where you're going to set up your candle and your indicators. This first icon here represents what? Your candle. All right, these are the candles you're going to work with. We have the line candle, we have the candles, so we have lines, sorry. These are, we call them charts. We have the line, we have the candles, we have bars, we have what? Acne, what? Ashi. Usually, I use these two. Candles and acne is what I use most times, okay? So if I tap on candles, all right, this is I tap on candle, that's candle it's taking place. Okay, if I come over here and see, you can see that's changed. You can see candles now. What we're seeing here before was lines, but now you're seeing candles, right? Now go back to that same candle, and then tap on the candle icon again, and then click on time frames. You can see that time frame, tap on that. Then you can start to take a particular time you want the candle to last. 1 minute candle, 30 seconds candle, 15 seconds, 10 seconds, 5 seconds. Usually people use what? 1 minute candle. That's what people use most time. 1 minute and two candle. But usually people use most time use what? 1 minute candle, and then sometimes 2 minute candle. Is that clear to you? Good and fine. Now, the other thing you need to see is the movement. Okay, now, and that is, sorry, yeah. If you come over here again, you're going to see what? Indicators. Tap on the second icon. You're going to see indicators. There are different indicators you can use. You can see accelerator, oscillator, ADX, alligator, Arun, average true range. All of these come with what? Strategies. Strategies for you to trade very well and then make money out of it, right? So if you tap on, for instance, this one, accelerator, oscillator, okay, it will land on this place. You can see this is where it is. You see it? Accelerator, oscillator. Now, if I type on this pencil icon, I can edit it. You can see that. You can edit it in terms of input. Okay, if this usually I don't like changing the details that they give to me because these are accurate details. Okay, you can work with. Then if you click on styles, in terms of colors that you want to use, okay? So if you click on red and green, these are the colors you're going to use. You can start to change the colors. Okay, if you tap on the color, you can change the color. But usually red and greens are sharper. When you're done, you click on what? Save. And then you're good to go. You can see that. So this will tell you how to use where the buying, the green will be going up or the red is coming down, stuff like that, right? These are things you're going to learn. As you move on, you're going to learn them in details. Is that okay?